Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to remove custom home page in Salesforce. In Salesforce Lightning, removing the home page is basically a deactivation of the custom home page from Salesforce application. So let's move ahead and see the process of deactivation of custom home page. So go to our setup page and enter the Lightning app builder in the quick find box and select this Lightning app builder link, and this will redirect us to the Lightning app builder page. And under this Lightning page we can see the list of the pages. Here we can see the home page and the app page, and here we want to deactivate the home page, so we click on this home page, click on the edit button, and our Lightning app builder page is open, and here we want to click on the activation button. Our activation home page is open. Now we select the app default, and here we can see our home page is assigned to this app, and we remove or deactivate this home page from this app. So we click on the remove assignment and we come to our remove app assignment page. So we click on the checkbox and then hit the next button, and here we review the changes and then click on the save button. Now we go back to our home page. Now go to the app launcher and select the view all option and then click on the sales app, and here we go, we can see the custom home page is removed and replaced by the default one. So this was the process of removing the home page from the app in Salesforce Lightning. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the regular updates of upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video tutorial till last. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.